Out of 20 plus years in government and regulatory compliance, the SaniCheck cleaning, monitoring, and verification program was established to help businesses showcase the efforts they're taking to become what we refer to as a hygiene conscious business within the communities they serve. Look, the reality is, this isn't just a dangerous virus we're facing right now. We're battling deep-seated philosophies and perceptions about how the virus is spread and what businesses should be doing to keep their establishments safe for their employees and their customers. As with most beliefs, 50% of your customer base won't care about these measures, and 50% of them will care very deeply about your practices. And in this economic environment, you can't afford to lose even one customer. So a few questions for you to consider. Are you putting out a good faith effort to follow the CDC and local health departments' guidelines? Are you training your team in hygiene etiquette? Have you developed training programs and standard operating procedures for these major changes? And taking it further, do your employees know the effective methods to actually disinfect surfaces? Are they trained on the dangers of the cleaning products they use and are now readily exposed to? Maybe they've been trained through another professional organization or a trade group, but are those procedures and practices being monitored? And better yet, are they being promoted for your community to see? All of these questions are critical to the perception of your business and the promotion of the efforts you're making. Look, perception is reality, and the SaniCheck program seeks to bring legitimacy to the practices you've already employed and to draw a strong distinction between your operations and other businesses that merely say they're doing the same things. This program is there to drastically reduce your liability by providing government-required training for your employees and to provide resources and consultation for the areas in your cleaning and hygiene program that need growth. So, if you'd like to partner with the SaniCheck program to become a verified hygiene-conscious business in the communities you serve, please reach out to us at info@sanicheckprogram.com. We look forward to partnering with your business.